Siri Residence by Design Kacheri in Bengaluru, India. Siri is a tropical oasis cut away from the hustle and bustle of the tech city of Bengaluru. Located in Karishma Hills, with a beautiful layout on the fringes of the Turahalli forest, the site was the perfect locale for this with its majestic teak, mango, and coconut trees. These trees and the gentle topography of the site were also the perfect starting point for the design. The house is designed as a seamless extension of the natural landscape, respecting, enhancing, and celebrating the existing vegetation while creating a luxurious and sustainable living environment. The structure is positioned to maximize natural light and ventilation while minimizing the impact on the existing trees. An introverted planning approach was taken, and the built spaces were lined up towards the front of the plot, while the large garden, which was the point of focus, and the infinity pool were placed towards the back. The open plan, which was guided by the principles of Vastu, ensures that the living, dining, and kitchen areas flow seamlessly into one another. The entrance is a series of floating steps that follow the natural terrain of the land and ends in an entrance platform, alongside a lily pond. Flanking these steps and the landscaped entrance porch are existing coconut trees. The formal and informal areas of the house, though visually connected, are distinctly separated and placed at the opposite ends of a central corridor which also has the puja room. The service areas are tucked away neatly. Large sliding glass doors and windows maximize natural light and showcase the stunning views of the garden and pool. Generous verandas, decks, and terraces extend the living areas outdoors, providing ample space for relaxation and entertaining. A squat existing mango tree formed the perfect cat seating in the deck adjoining the family and dining. Biophilic design principles enhance the connection with nature, including natural light, natural ventilation, and views of greenery. The lush tropical gardens surrounding the house create a sense of privacy and tranquility. The house is a collage of Indian stones. The Sira stone walls in random rubble patterns form the perfect background for the existing trees both at the entrance and the backyard of the house. The stone feature ties the house together and continues indoors into the double-height family and the master bedroom areas as well. It also helps conceal the staff areas and the open shower for the pool. Polished and rough-finished Kota, Kadapa, and black granite are the stones used both for flooring and cladding the walls. Polished teak wood, Corten steel, and exposed brick walls form the rest of the finishes. The rest of the house is kept simple and sober, with only the art pieces providing the necessary relief, including a large hand-drawn mandala art inspired by nature. The western side of the house is lined up with balconies, which are covered by louvers that help with both shading and security. A lot of emphasis was given to cross-ventilation. The staircase area was designed to be a vent with concealed hit-and-miss windows, helping both with cross-ventilation and releasing hot air through the stack effect. By incorporating the existing trees into the design, this architectural project creates a truly unique and sustainable living environment. It celebrates the natural beauty of the Bangalore landscape while providing a luxurious and comfortable home for its residents.